Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And today's video is going to be about how you can try recovering your missing Snapchat memories. So if some of your memories are missing from Snapchat, I will show you the reasons why it happened and what can be done to recover those. Alright, so without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, first of all, you just need to open the Snapchat app. And now if you will go to the memories section, you will see that some of my recently added snaps are not backed up yet. Alright, so it is important to always keep your smart backup on if you do not want to your memories go missing. So in this case, if your memories are not backed up by Snapchat and you will log out of your account, you will lose all your memories that you have taken. All right, so that's one important step that you need to follow. You need to always keep your smart backup option on so that all your snaps, all your memories can be backed up using your mobile cellular data. All right, otherwise it will only depend to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. All right, if it will not back up your memories if you are on cellular data. All right, so make sure you have turned on smart backup. For that, what you need to do is you need to go back, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. From here, go to settings, and here you need to scroll down a bit till you find memories. Go to this section. Now the first option that you can see is storage. So backup progress is 4 snaps waiting for Wi-Fi. Now if in this case, if I will log out, I will lose all those 4 snaps that I have just taken. So make sure you have always turned this on, the smart backup option. The memories may back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. All right, so if you are outside and your Wi-Fi is not there, so you can use this smart backup that will use your mobile's data to back up all the memories so that you can find them later saved in your Snapchat account. All right, apart from this, you can also use this option that says save button, memories and camera roll. So what happens when you save your memory, it only gets saved on Snapchat if you want, but if you want, you can even select this option, that is memories and camera roll, so that your memories also get saved in your camera roll, and even if they are not backed up by Snapchat, you can still find them in your gallery. All right, so that's what this option does. Otherwise, you can even select memories if you do not want them to get saved on your device, on your phone's gallery, or if you just want them on your phone's gallery, you can select camera roll. So that's the second thing you can do to make sure you do not lose any of your memories in the future. Now to actually recover your memories, what you need to do is, here in this section you need to scroll down a bit till you find this option that says I need help. Here you need to simply tap on the option that is memories, and here you can see a few options, a few troubleshooting options related to memories, and one of them is the troubleshooting missing memories option. You have to press that, and here you will get all the information. My Snapchat memories are missing, my Snapchat memories won't back up, my Snapchat memories won't load. So you can select the right option and you can see what help they can offer. All right, so they are telling that you need to update your Snapchat and free up some storage space on your device. So if in case there was a very less storage space on your device, that could be the reason your memories didn't get saved. Okay. All right, so that could be the reason they are missing. And apart from that, they have only told that they may be lost because they were not backed up, as I have told you already. But now what next you can do is you can go back, and now you need to select I spotted a bug. Under this section you need to select memories, and here you will get to select a topic as well. So here you simply need to select missing memories. All right, and now you need to explain Snapchat that what exactly happened. All right, when did you find that your memories were missing and what exactly happened? If you logged out of your account or whatever happened, you need to explain to them. And if in case you have the screenshot of those memories but they are not there in your Snapchat account, you can simply add one attachment as well, one image for the proof, so that they can deal with the issue in a better way. So that's the only method you can submit this error report to Snapchat so that they can find a solution. Other than that, I have told you some steps that you can follow so that in future you don't find your memories missing anymore. So yeah, you have to submit this report and press submit at the bottom, and then you need to wait for a reply from Snapchat. So that's how you can try recovering missing Snapchat memories. Alright, and if this video was of help for you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more upcoming useful videos. And if you have any doubts related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.